Hey, good morning, it's Jeremiah Mobility 316 doing a one-of-a-kind video of our 2017 Toyota Sienna. Now, look, I know a lot of you don't have the full 20 minutes to watch our one-of-a-kind detailed video. We're the only ones that do these. So for those of you that only have 60 seconds, let me give you the rundown. Brand new, ADA compliant, 43-inch wide, super wide ramp, 1,000-pound weight capacity. Super simple, check it out. One finger to the ground. Tell our customers if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate that ramp with ease. Got your flip-based seating. So you actually a bench in the rear. You can put 3 passengers in the rear or flip it up, do 2 wheelchairs at a time. It's got dang near brand new tires on it, free shipping, free Carfax report, a 1-year nationwide warranty. Go to the shop of your choice anywhere in the country. We got this van under $50,000, financing available. Best deal in the country. For those of you that have a little bit more time, like I said, 43 inches wide. If you're getting one for a nursing home, care facility, running a non-emergency medical transport, you 100% want the rear entry wider ramps. The side entry have a narrow 30-inch ramp. Folks, you're gonna have to reject rides, reject revenue. That's not how you grow your business. Another great thing about the rear entries, if this were a side entry van and there were a vehicle parked here, you could not get out because there's a vehicle blocking the door. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have about 2 or 3 more inches of ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including snow drifts during the wintertime if you live in that part of the country, and they're about $10,000 more affordable to convert, making the rear entry the best buy out there. But if you're looking for a side entry, full-size wheelchair accessible van like a ProMaster or Transit, we have wheelchair accessible trucks, SUVs. We have over 100 vehicles on the lot ready to go here in Wichita, Kansas, with free shipping in the lower 48 states, minimum 1-year nationwide warranty with every single vehicle. If you don't see it at mobility316.com, we're probably either getting it ready or we can help find it for you. Get about 57 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then also about 57 once you're inside the van. Got your spare tire, headliner's in great shape, got your dual shoulder harnesses over there. We're tying down 2 wheelchairs at a time. We got the upgraded Q trains in here. A lot of our competitors are going to charge you $800 to upgrade to those. We throw those in at no charge to you. Inside the van, got your Q string tied down and warranty information there. I can see someone drilled a couple holes, probably had something mounted here, no big deal. But I do want to use full transparency on all of our vans. Dual climate control, rear air, got your nice backup camera there. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Even sync up your phone there. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process, and you're ready to roll. Now, a lot of our competitors, take Braun Ability, for example, they're gonna tell you they have a better built conversion than we do, and that's fine, that's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their warranty is. They're gonna tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. I want you to compare that to our 3-year unlimited mile nationwide warranty. Pretty easy to see who has the best built conversion, right? And beware of a lot of big box stores out there. You're gonna hear cats at Mobility Works say things like, hey, you need to buy from us here at Mobility Works. You need to spend $10,000 too much so we can service this conversion for you at any of our 100 locations. Folks, 100 locations simply means more overhead. That's why their prices are so high. These ramps can be serviced by any dealer in the country. They'd be happy to service them for you. That's a main stream of revenue for them servicing. And these conversions are pretty much bulletproof. There's very little to go wrong with them. So don't be tricked into spending $10,000. Too much is my point. Tinted windows, alloy wheels, all 4 tires about 8 to 9 30-seconds. So pretty much brand new tires on this fan. As I do my walk around, I'm looking for little dents, nicks, scratches in the paint. I'm not saying it's brand new condition, but boy, it is super clean, and I'm looking hard for any blemishes in the paint. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $10,000 on your wheelchair accessible vans. Some little rock chips up here. How we do it is simple. It's low overhead. I started this company 14 years ago. One goal in mind: produce the highest quality wheelchair vans at the absolute lowest prices in the entire country. I said, how am I going to do that? How am I going to do that? I'm not going to copy Superior. I'm not going to copy United Access, Mobility Works. All those locations means more overhead. That's why they have to charge so much for their vehicles. I said, what I'm going to do, 5 simple steps to service the whole country, but crush the competition's prices. Number 1, I'm going to start a dealership right in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. Low cost of living, low overhead, keep prices low. Number 2, being right in the middle of the country, I can offer free shipping in the lower 48 states to service the entire country. Number 3, I'm going to make super detailed videos like you're watching right now. So you get the full details of the van, the true condition of the van, you know how the conversion works, the measurements, so on and so forth. Number 4, I'm going to make sure every single one of our vans comes with a minimum 1-year nationwide warranty good at the shop of your choice. Walmart, Pep Boys, your local Toyota dealer, local mechanic, you name it, anywhere in the country. So if the unexpected does happen, you're taken care of. And then number 5, I'm not going to employ a sales staff. Sales staff means more overhead. I let the internet and the videos and the pictures do all the selling along with our reputation. That's how we crush the competition's prices, but can still service you anywhere in the lower 48 states. And also, no matter who you buy from, get you a video of the VIN number inside the van over there. Why I say that? Scammers on Facebook Marketplace, which is the dirtiest place in the world to buy a vehicle. No, I'm not joking with you. They're gonna steal my pictures, crop out my sign right there. They're gonna put this vehicle on the internet for $15,000. They're looking for a sucker to send them $2,000 to. Hold it, folks. They can't hold this for you. They don't have it. They're trying to scam you. No matter who you buy from, to make sure you don't get scammed. Get you a video like this. My name is Jeremiah. I own Mobility 316. Got this vehicle right here in my possession. Get a video, not just a picture. Make sure you're not getting scammed. All right, what we do is have VIN number, but on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we purchase it. I highly recommend you do the same. Not only that, I'm the only dealer in the entire country goes over the Carfax with you for those of you that aren't real familiar how to read these, and show you why I believe in this van, why I bought it, why you can believe in it as well. This one is very simple. 1 owner, no accidents or damage, last owned in nice salt rust free Texas, 27 service history, been super well maintained. You can see this entire Carfax on our website at no charge to you. You can see Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. It's 1 owner, clean title, no accidents, 27 service history records. This is an A+ Carfax report. This is an absolute unicorn of a vehicle. Never been structural damage, airbags never deployed, odometer's accurate, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. You can scroll down and see the extensive service history on this vehicle. I'll see all the miles have been documented. This is exactly what I'm looking for when I'm buying a used vehicle, seeing that's been well taken care of, well serviced. This is music to my ears, music to my eyes, I should say in this case. But no matter who you buy from, check out the reputation online. Find us on eBay. 1,870 transactions. Every single one of those transactions has left us positive feedback, 100%. A reputation we work very hard for and we're very proud of. And if you're like me, I check out reviews. If I'm gonna go eat a $10 cheeseburger, I want the best bang for my buck. If we're gonna check out reviews for $10 cheeseburgers, probably not a bad idea if you're gonna buy a $50,000 mobility vehicle to check out reviews, see what people are saying about them, make sure you're not getting scammed. You know, if you are, I hear the stories all the time. They usually happen, the worst stories happen when people buy from a private seller or Facebook marketplace. The reasons are, you don't know if they jumped that title. If you don't know what a jump title is, you better figure it out if you're gonna buy in that realm. Number 2, you don't have any idea about the reputation. I'm showing our Google reviews here. I'm showing thousands of eBay reviews, I'm sorry, to show you we're honest, we're transparent. Number 3, and most importantly, you have no protection from the state. You buy from me, if I don't ship the van to you, if I keep your money and scam you, if I don't provide a title, you can call the Department of Revenue Dealer Licensing up in Topeka, Kansas, who oversees all the dealers here. They're gonna come put me in handcuffs, they're gonna come put me in jail. They're going to make sure you get your money's worth and it won't cost you a dime. You have a private seller, someone on Facebook Marketplace scam you, guess what you get to do? You get to hire a lawyer at $300 or $400 an hour, chase this person around the country, around the world, and try and get some of your money back. I can already tell you how that's gonna go for you. So, you know, I hear these horror stories, whether it's Facebook Marketplace, private seller, or maybe even one of the low-end dealers, you know, dealers that have nowhere near a 4.8 out of 5 stars like we have. Dealers with a 1 and 2 and 3 star rating, maybe even a low 4 that don't know the laws, don't even care about the laws. You know, these consumers end up buying vehicles with salvage titles they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, you know, major mechanical issues, flood damage, engine, transmission, electrical, I've seen it all. So if you want to roll the dice on a big purchase like this, boy, I wish you the best of luck. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from the mobility dealer that has the most 5-star Google reviews of any single mobility dealer in the entire country at one location, all with the best prices in the country, free shipping, and a 1-year nationwide warranty. Hey, reach out to us. We're happy to help. All right, back to the van. We do have the 1 key fob, 1 keyless entry here. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, very affordably, we'd be happy to do so. Inside this van, super clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. When I go to turn the van on, 46,499 original miles. Got the full tank of gas. All the dummy lights work. They all go out. There's no check engine lights on. No airbag, no ABS, none of that stuff going on with this van. Got your backup camera there. You can hear the radio works just fine as well. Second row seating. It's got these manual, easy to operate doors. When the seats are up, to get them down, see that little T-handle? Focus for me, Ken. Little T-handle right there. You gotta pull that forward while pushing the seat down. So let me get these seats down for you. Let's check them out. All right, when the seats are folded, you got bench seating back here for 3 people. You could leave this seat up, have one small jump seat there, and get a smaller wheelchair up front with a larger wheelchair in the back. So it allows a lot of versatility. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me full time. We check all the power mirrors and windows. I'm gonna show you the mirrors and windows moving right now so you know they work. We check all the power locks, heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Take these vehicles on a road test. Obviously, we check the tires. They're darn near brand new on this vehicle. Replace fluids as necessary. Keep in mind, this vehicle had 27 previous service records. Underneath the hood, 3.5 V6 engine. I can see we put a brand new battery in there. You can hardly even hear the engine running. Idles smoothly. Sounds great. Exactly what we're looking for. Now, underneath the van, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any crumpled up metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any water damage from being in a flood. Everything looks great. And that's the #1 mistake consumers make when they purchase vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, just because it's low miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. They assume it's mechanically sound. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. Let me give you an example. I frequently see brand new vehicles at auction that have flood damage. You know what happens? These vehicles take on a flood. Dealers rush them over to auction, dump them off to make them someone else's problem, all before that flood hits the Carfax. So if those kind of things can happen with a brand new vehicle, you better know what you're getting if you're purchasing a used vehicle. What I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private seller. I don't care if it's Facebook Marketplace. I don't care if it's another dealer. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you thousands of reviews online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're dealing with a vehicle that has a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees, crawl on the ground, get you some pictures of the front and rear of the undercarriage, much less a super detailed video. Do they throw in a complimentary nationwide 1-year warranty? How about the roof? You know how often I climb up on a roof at auction, I see a roof just crushed with hail damage. I say no, thank you. But the sellers, they don't fix the roof a lot of times because most people don't get up here and look at the roof. You know who does? Jeremiah with Mobility 316. You better do the same. That roof can get real expensive, $10,000 to $15,000 to fix. Check out the roof. Get the full disclosure. So when it comes to price, reputation, how thorough they are, showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please put our resume next to anybody in the country. Tell me what happens if you end up buying a vehicle you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens if a vehicle won't pass inspection in your state because it's got damage to the frame from an accident or a flood, maybe a VIN number issue on the vehicle or the title. Bottom line is, if it can't pass registration, inspection, so on and so forth, you just spend a whole lot of money on a vehicle you can't even drive. So to avoid these issues and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. First of all, demand a detailed video like this. And I'm not talking some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. This is a major purchase. You're not buying a brand new toaster off Amazon. This is a big deal. Demand a detailed video. Number 2, show me the Carfax. Demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax are the most expensive VIN inspection there is. Make your seller pay for it. Do not settle for a cheap knockoff. Are you telling me someone's really going to sell you a $50,000 vehicle, but they won't provide a $45 Carfax? A, what are they hiding from you? B, if they won't invest $45 into a Carfax, do you think if the vehicle needed $400 or $500 in tires, they did it? Do you think if it needed $500 brakes, they did it? No, of course they didn't. They won't even spend $45 on a Carfax. Demand a Carfax. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out the reputation and reviews. Quickest way to weed out a scammer, ask their first and last name, where they live, then ask them for their ID. If they tell you their name is Jeremiah Coleman, Wichita, Kansas, their ID better say the same. It's a major red flag. If it doesn't, don't be afraid to ask for it. And then finally, demand a warranty. Are you really buying expensive high-dollar vehicles as is, or some lame 30 or 90-day powertrain warranty, folks? That's how you get scammed. That's how you buy a lemon. Demand a warranty. We have a 1-year nationwide deluxe warranty, 100% of the engine, transmission, water pump, alternator, starter, all the way down to the car battery. Not quite a bumper to bumper, but not far from it. Good anywhere in the country. It's nationwide. Your local Walmart, your local Pet Boys, your local Toyota dealer, any mechanic in the country, you name it, you're covered nationwide, no deductible. Do not risk buying as is demand a warranty. Let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. All right, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or you come in and drive this Toyota home, we've done our due diligence, made sure that it's roadworthy, popped up to 65 miles an hour right there. See if I can get up to 70 here if traffic permits. Strong engine, transmission shifts smoothly. Up to 70 miles an hour is exactly what we're looking for. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good, runs and drives darn like a brand new van down the highway. I'm very impressed with this van. I know you will be as well. Do keep in mind, if you'd ever like to come visit us, we do welcome that. But we 100% require an appointment, 365 days a year. Remember, we do not employ a sales staff here. Help us keep prices and overhead low. I need you to take 30 to 60 seconds of your life. Call us, text us, let us know which vehicle or vehicles you'd like to look at. We'll be organized, prepared, and sit you down for a consultation with a mobility professional, not a used car salesman. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. So many of these dealers, they put a real nice price online, what they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, document fee, tag fee, freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping, free Carfax reports, free upgraded tie downs, and a complimentary 1-year nationwide warranty. So when it comes down to it, once you add up all their hidden fees, cost of some upgraded tie downs, maybe a Carfax shipping and a warranty, that real nice price you saw online has now jumped from about $50,000 to about $58,000. Hey, that's not such a nice price anymore, is it? So quit falling for all these used car salesman games and gimmicks. That there's a term for this. It's called making money on the back end. They put a real nice price online, try to get you to come into their store or call one of their used car salesmen, and they talk you into buying the vehicle using all their terminology and so on and so forth. Be sure to ask about all these things before you buy, or just sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. Coming down the ramp, nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, exactly what we're looking for. Now, if you'd like to give us a call or text is by far the fastest way to get in touch with us. That way, anyone on our staff can see that text come through, respond to you as soon as possible. Call or text 316-262-FANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is the direct line to reach out to call or text me. Now, I challenge you. I want you to ask our competitors if they are dedicated enough to customer service to get you a direct line to call or text the owner of the company. Or do you have to call in, end up in somebody's voicemail, never get a call back, or maybe you do get that live person, that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who now has your phone number, gonna call, text you, blow you up 10 times a day, try and pressure you into a sale so they can get that commission check. So hey, if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number of all these companies out there with horrible customer service, and you want to avoid that used car salesman like the plague, give us that call or text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, we're going to sell the Sienna whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We're more than happy to give you a call, take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. We can explain how that works. A reminder, if you'd ever like to come see us, be sure to make that appointment. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I know this is a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with one-of-a-kind detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus dealer's fees, dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, all with a minimum 1-year nationwide warranty, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough, transparent, and highly rated mobility dealer in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today. We really appreciate you checking us out and giving us a chance to earn your business. Hope you have yourself a wonderful day.